Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Webflow Showcase for presenting responsive UI demos, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with Webflow Showcase for presenting responsive UI demos, first, sign in to your Webflow account. Once you're logged in, locate the dashboard. From the dashboard, find the Showcase tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Showcase tab to access all available projects. To create a new Showcase project, click on the New Project button. You will be prompted to choose between a blank project or a template. Select the option that best fits your needs, then click Create. With your new project open, begin designing your UI demo using Webflow. Ensure your layout is responsive by checking the design in different screen sizes. Use the breakpoints feature to seamlessly adjust your design for desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on the Publish button to make your project live. After publishing, navigate back to the Showcase tab. Locate your newly published project and click on it to access the project details. In the project settings, ensure you add a clear title and description for your demo. Next, set the visibility of your project to public so others can find it. You can enhance visibility by tagging your project with relevant keywords. To attract viewers, consider uploading a captivating thumbnail image. Once everything is set, click Save Changes. Your project is now ready for others to view and interact with. You can always go back and make adjustments to improve your demo. Share your Showcase link across your network to gain more exposure. Engage with viewers by responding to comments and feedback. Regularly update your project to reflect any changes or new features you create. This will keep your audience informed and interested in your work. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.